Students, we have been discussing must and have to, the difference between must and have to, where we use and where we do not use must, and where have to is to be used. Now I have come up with few more exercise for you where you have to use you have to use select out of must or have to, which in the following sentences, adding pronouns wherever necessary. Now let us take the sentences. See now, didn't you go to see the Bansu temple last month? You tell me how to get there and where to stay. So, out of must and have to, what we will be using? Must. You must tell me how to get there and where to stay. Well, you dash stay in Sankari, which is the town nearest to the temples. Well, you will have to. What will be the answer? You will have to stay in Sankari, which is the town nearest to temple. The temples themselves are in the middle of a forest, as you know. Is there a good hotel in Sankari? Or dash stay in Sholturi? So, is there a good hotel in Sankari? Or dash stay in Sholturi? So, must I? Must I stay in Sholturi? Then, and what is a Sholturi? It is a resting place. You can say an inn, like Dharamshala sort of. Sholturi, Choultry, a resting place like inn. Okay. You can stay at the Rudra Hotel. It is the only one in town. I dash stay there for 2 nights last year. I stay there for 2 nights last year. I had to stay there. Out of must or have to, we will be using past form of have to. I had to stay there for 2 nights last year. Dash stay there food for 2 nights. Can't I do it in one? Dash stay there for 2 nights. Did you have to stay there? Did you have to stay there? Yes. If you get a good taxi, the trip to the temples takes 6 hours. The taxi I took broke down on the return journey and we dash spent the night on roadside. We had to spend the night on the roadside. You dash tell me what to look for in the temples. So you must tell me everything, everything. They are too beautiful to be talked about. You tell me, okay? You must tell me what to look for in the temples. Everything. They are too beautiful to be talked about. Wait till you see them. By the way, you dash be careful about pickpockets. You must be careful about pickpockets. So these are the fill in the blanks where by attempting these questions you just polish your knowledge about the use of must and have to. Now these are the answers. Now again I have come up with few words just to improve your pronunciation along with the symbol. See now, the sound produced by the letter V and by PH in NEPHEW is a fricative in English. Is a fricative in English. Produce it by bringing your upper teeth to touch your lower lip. Produce it by, and what is fricative? Fricative is something denoting a type of consonant made by the friction of breath. Okay, fur, fricative fur. So produce it, ver. Okay, okay, yes. Now produce it by bringing your upper teeth to touch your lower lip firmly and by pushing the breath out in between the teeth and the lip. When you don't use the voice, the sound heard is p. Now pronounce these words, making these sounds strongly. Very and wife. Have yourself. Every fight. Haven't. Off. Wives and useful. So these are the fricative, and you have to use proper use teeth, lips, and you are just pushing your breath out in between the teeth and the lip. And these dialogues which we have read so far, I started doing must and have to. There you will be finding these words and you just pronounce them. Now I have come up, we have finished our models. Now I have come up with a very important part related to the use of these auxiliaries and how to use these auxiliaries in short answer. और जब आप इन ऑक्सिलरीज को शॉर्ट आंसर में काम में लेंगे तो यू विल रियलाइज, इन शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस में काम में लेंगे तो यू विल रियलाइज कि शॉर्ट सेंटेंस में ये वर्ड्स अपने आप में दे आर कन्वेइंग द complete meaning. See now, I have come up with one dialogue for you all. Mrs. Rudra is interviewing a girl who has applied for a job as a domestic servant. Mrs. Rudra, what's your name? Chikkamma. Can you cook? Yes, madam, I can. I can cook both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Can you make biryani? Yes, I can. And I can make a lovely kurma to go with it. I can make. I can. Here also I can. Do you chew pan? Yes, I do. Well, don't go spitting all over the place. Have you any relations? Yes, madam, I have. Two sisters and a brother. Don't bring them here. Are you married? No, I am not. Good husbands are a nuisance. Yes, they are. They drink and they spend your money. Well, you can start tomorrow if you like. No, madam, I can't. I can't. I am going to be married tomorrow. So here you see that the conversation is going on, and in alternate dialogue they are using I can, means they are using, I mean auxiliaries are being used in short answers. See, I can, I do, I have, I am not, they are, you can, I can't, sorry, I can't. Okay, so these are the auxiliaries in short answers. See now, questions which requires the answer yes or no can be answered by yes or no. Questions which require the answer yes or no can be answered by yes or no and the auxiliary only. A common mistake is to repeat the verb in the question. This is a common mistake to repeat the verb in the question. How? कैसे? कि कहने का मतलब क्या है कि आपको फिर मेन वर्ब काम में नहीं लेनी है। आपको जब आप आंसर्स दे रहे हैं तब आपको केवल हेल्पिंग वर्ब काम में लेनी है। कैसे? डज मनी स्मोक? यस ही स्मोक्स, ये गलत आंसर है। अब हम यहाँ पे क्या काम में लेंगे? हम अब यहाँ पे ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स काम में लेंगे इन शॉर्ट आंसर्स। कैसे? डज मनी स्मोक? Yes, he smokes. This is not the right answer. The right answer will be yes, he does. We will not say yes, he smokes. We will only say he does. Has she forgotten the appointment? Yes, she has forgotten. This is the wrong answer. What is the correct answer? Only we will be using only the helping verb. Yes, she has. Is he going to do something about it? Yes, he is going to. No. The only answer will be he is. Yes, he is. Had they reached Tokyo by then? Yes, they had reached. नहीं, ये गलत है। केवल हेल्पिंग वर्ब काम में आएगी कि yes, they had. If the subject in the question is a noun, it is replaced by a pronoun in the answer. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि अगर क्वेश्चन में नाउन है तो आंसर देते वक्त वी वोंट बी यूजिंग द सेम नाउन। हम वही नाउन यहाँ काम में नहीं लेंगे, हम यहाँ पे उसकी जगह प्रोनाउन काम में लेंगे। देखिए, जस्ट लुक हियर, शी इज हियर, हियर इज इट इज शी, ही इज हियर इट इज ही। बट कहने का मतलब है what I want you to convey, what I want you to know, what I want to convey is that here we use pronoun in the small answers. Using auxiliary, we use pronoun like they, he, and she. So, had they reached Tokyo by then? Yes, they had. Okay. If the subject in the question is a noun, it is replaced by a pronoun in the answer. कैसे? कि will the police arrest him? Yes, they will. ओके, तो यहाँ पे दे विल अरेस्ट तो आएगा ही नहीं। नाउ यू नो दिस इज द रॉन्ग आंसर। व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? यस, दे विल। सबसे पहले व्हाट यू हैव टू लर्न कि यहाँ पे पुलिस नहीं आएगी लिखा हुआ, इसकी जगह यू विल बी यूजिंग प्रोनाउन और एट द सेम टाइम यू विल बी यूजिंग हेल्प ऑक्सिलरी, नॉट द, रिमेंबर यू वोंट यूज मेन वर्ब। आप यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब बिल्कुल काम में नहीं लेंगे, केवल ऑक्सिलरी काम में आएगी। सी, फॉरगॉटन यू विल नॉट यूज, गोइंग यू विल नॉट यूज, रीच्ड आप नहीं काम में लेंगे, अरेस्ट आप काम में नहीं लेंगे, ओनली द ऑक्सिलरी you will be using. Now give short answers. I have come up few uh, one more exercise for you. See now, what is that? Uh, just wait. What is the answer question? Uh, is Mr. Verma a rich man? In the affirmative or negative? Is Mr. Verma a rich man? So what we will say? Yes, he is. Okay. Then, um, did his father leave him a lot of money? Okay. Did his father leave him a lot of money? So yes और no में बोलना है ना? अफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव में, यस और नो में। तो ये ध्यान रखिए आप कि हम ऑक्सिलरी काम में लेंगे। तो डिड इज मिस्टर वर्मा ए रिच मैन? यस ही इज। क्या बोलेंगे? यस ही इज। हम पूरा सेंटेंस नहीं बोलेंगे यस मिस्टर वर्मा इज ए रिच मैन, ना ये बोलेंगे कि यस ही इज ए रिच मैन। हम काम में लेंगे यस ही इज। डिड हिज फादर लीव हिम ए लॉट ऑफ मनी? यस ही डिड। डिड ही मैरी इनटू ए रिच फैमिली? इसको नेगेटिव बनाना है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? नो ही डिड नॉट। हम ये मेन वर्ब काम में नहीं लेंगे। ये वाली लीव वाली, मैरी वाली। हैज हिज वाइफ ब्रॉट हिम लक? यस शी हैज। यस शी हैज। हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे हिज वाइफ हैज ब्रॉट हिम लक, ओनली दिस मच। यस शी हैज। हैज ही बिकम रिचर सिंस ही गॉट मैरिड? Yes, he has. ये नहीं बोलेंगे he has become richer. Do the Vermas give money to worthy causes? नेगेटिव बनाना है। नो तो वर्मास प्लूरल है और ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है, ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, तो हम खाली ये बोलेंगे नो दे डू नॉट। ये नहीं बोलेंगे द वर्मास, नो द वर्मास डू नॉट गिव मनी टू वर्दी कॉजेज। हम शॉर्ट आंसर देंगे ऑक्सिलरी काम में लेते हुए। तो नो दे डोंट, ओनली दिस मच। नाउ वन मोर एग्जांपल। सप्लाई अफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव शॉर्ट आंसर्स to the questions below. To the questions below, should teachers help their students in examination? No, they should not. Ought they help them before the examination? Ought they to help them before the examinations? Yes, they should, or they ought to. Should teachers set a good example to their students? Yes, they should. Means हमको ये जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, ये सॉरी ये जो मेन वर्ब्स हैं, हेल्प, हेल्प, सेट, ये नहीं काम में लेनी है। खाली यस नो लिख के हमें ऑक्सिलरी जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है वो काम में लेनी है। ऑक्सिलरी मीन्स क्या होता है? हेल्पिंग, आपको जो हेल्प कर रही है उस सेंटेंस में। तो यहाँ पे जो शुड है, ऑट टू है, शुड है। व्हाट अबाउट पेरेंट्स, पॉलिटिशियंस, ऑफिशियल्स? शुड दे ऑल्सो बिहेव प्रॉपरली? यस दे शुड। बिहेव और ये काम में नहीं लेंगे, केवल यस हेल्पिंग वर्ब ढूंढनी है हमको इसमें। हमको इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब लेनी है काम में, और यस दे शुड। डू स्टूडेंट्स बिकम सिनिकल व्हेन दे सी एडल्ट्स लेजी, करप्ट एंड इनएफिशिएंट? यस दे डू। केवल हम ये बोलेंगे यस दे डू, ये नहीं बोलेंगे यस दे डू बिकम। विल दैट डू अवर कंट्री एनी गुड? नो इट विल नॉट। तो ये हमारा जो ऑक्सिलरीज को हम शॉर्ट आंसर में कैसे काम में लेंगे, ये हमारा है, और ये आपके आंसर्स हैं। इनको आप प्रैक्टिस करिए और इसमें कॉन्सेंट्रेट करिए कि उस सेंटेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सी है, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कौन सी है, और उसके साथ आपको उस हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंगली आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है। और रिमेंबर, वो जो मेन वर्ब है उसको काम में नहीं लेके केवल सिंपल आपको प्रोनाउन काम में लेना है, प्लस वो ऑक्सिलरी, वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है उसमें वो काम में लेनी है।